Grandpa Tech.
Hi, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech with another quick review of some fun products. I don't know about you, but everybody's going out, finally getting out from the COVID-19. Yay! And they have this wonderful phone tripod, which is very, very versatile. And it's made by YEAHWHEE. I love that name. YEAHWHEE! So we're going to check it out, unbox it, and tell me what you think. So if you're going to be traveling, you might need to get yourself a little tripod type thing. So let's look at this real quick. You know, everybody's got multiple cameras now. And some people, you know, you've got a GoPro, you've got your cell phone, you got your everything. And so this little versatile one that comes, yeah, let's just get a quick look at you. All right, you've got a nice tripod, which is flexible, which means you can mount it just about anywhere. If you don't know what that means. You know? Really nice. You've got a 1/4-inch screw mounting on top, which is really good, so you can mount just about any adaptable camera like that. On top of that, okay, it comes with a cell phone adapter, which is screw mounted on the bottom here. Put it right on top. All right. And that stretches out. You have a Bluetooth adapter, which allows you to download an app and be able to take your cell phone and do selfies remotely. Fantastic. And a bonus is you've got a GoPro camera or GoPro type camera like this. You have the mount that's included. And to make a bonus, it comes with a carry bag, which you'll be allowed to take and put everything in here, and so it doesn't lose, you know, get lost. It's a nice little setup by YEAHWHEE. Phone tripod and connector. What do you think? So like I said, this is a continuation of my looking at different tripods and things. And now with everybody getting out finally and getting me able to go somewhere, you know, you don't want to carry a lot of stuff because of everything. So getting a 10-inch tripod, which is flexible, for under $16, which includes all the accessories, the case, the go-to connector, the Bluetooth adapter, and of course the cell phone adapter, all included in this for less than $16. I think that's a pretty good bargain. But what do you think? I mean, today you're trying to get out and get some things done, and you want to have everything at your hands, but you don't want to carry a lot of stuff. So until next time, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Please click that little subscribe button down there. And until next time, thanks a lot. Have a great day.